Alright, so if you're kind of new to 3D printing like I am, one thing you will learn is the bed of this. So as your prints adhere to it, the larger prints you do may rip the bed line, as this bed liner. And you'll have to buy more bed liners, which is what I have here. So I have 3 that I bought because I ripped this. Now, this is readily available online, but if you use painter's tape, and to make sure that the print adheres to the bed with the tape on it, if you use simple Elmer's glue, I use the purple kind, it will actually stick a lot better. And I've had prints that would not print very well because they weren't sticking to the actual bed very well. And once I started using this, it worked out really well. Now you can't just use the painter's tape, you actually have to have the glue too. So normally what I do is I'll layer the bed in the center, usually about 3 strips. Unless I'm doing something larger, then I'll cover the whole bed. And then what you do is you just rub this around in a circle. Make sure you coat the whole thing. So I usually start outside, go in and in. And then once I do that, I'll rub across it like that. Just rub it in so it's like all over the bed and all over the tape pretty much. So usually I'll do that, and as soon as I'm done with that, then I'll start preheating the system for the print. And basically once I hit preheat, I'll switch it, get the bed back to where it needs to be at 0, and then start the print job. By that time the glue will be really tacky and it will make the print actually stick better. So I will show you how to do that really quick. Very simple. I need to feed in my PLA, so we will do that in a second. Let me get the PLA pulled in. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to lay this across the bed. And it doesn't matter if it overlaps a hair, but you want to try to make sure it doesn't. So normally what I do is I'll put it pretty far back. Start it about there. Off as close as I can. And then basically do the same thing. Usually for smaller prints, that's about what I go with. If I'm going to do larger prints, I'll start from the back and go all the way full bed. But I know that this print job is not going to require a whole lot, so that's as far as I'm going to go. And this will actually save you from buying these a lot, because after printing one thing that tore the bed up, I've been printing non-stop and I haven't needed to use these yet. So I have these as extras just in case, but they should be good. And then I just tear out the excess. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to basically be able to get past the sides there without sticking, kind of messing up the print. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough. Get the excess off. And pretty much what we're going to do now is get it ready to go. Just going to take this, run it out a little bit right here. And then if I think it needs a little bit more, I'll just zigzag it. And then basically get it on there really good. There we go, that should be good enough. Then we will prepare and we will go home all. Prepare, main. Normally now this is where I would preheat the PLA, but I don't need to do that because it's already preheated, so I'm going to give it a second and then we'll start the print. So let me find my print job. on the print job. Hit print, and it should be tacky enough. Yeah, it's tacky enough now that it should be able to print fine. We'll let it start, and there you go. It's a good way to not use so many of these sticky, whatever they call them, the plate that you print on. So this stuff, it kind of reminds me of grip tape or something, but yeah, this actually works really good. So hopefully this helps somebody. You guys take it easy.